Good morning friends and welcome to another video. I'm using phone mounts for my motorcycles for years now, and a few weeks ago I bought a new one, and today I will show you which ones I used and which is my favorite one. The first motorcycle phone mount system that I used is the one from SP Connect. Very well built. This one is the mount for the handlebar. There are also mounts for mirrors. To mount the system is quite easy. Just put these two holes inside here. So this one is mounted now for vertical usage. So you have to put the phone case horizontal, twist it around, and that's it. Already mounted, goes very fast, easy to find, easy to detach, the same way around. Here on the top you have a vibration dampener, so there's rubber inside, works very good. Also here on the back side of the case mount there's some rubber. I never had any problems with the system, so it works very fine, very fast. The only negative point I had with this system was if you want to change the mounting from the vertical position to the horizontal one, you have to unscrew the mount here in the middle, take it off, twist it around to a horizontal position, and then it's the same way around, put it vertical, twist it to the horizontal, and it's fixed. But you always have to loosen this. So it's a little bit more work, especially when you want to change the position of your phone from time to time. Not possible with this one on the fly. The second phone mount is from Quadlock. Looks quite different compared to the SP Connect. I like the look of the SP Connect more. It's a little bit more basic. This is a little bit plasticky, especially when you want to have this vibration dampener. It looks a little bit strange in my opinion. Depends on the bike you have. If you have a adventure bike, it might be okay. Also this blue latch here for pushing down to unlock, not my favorite. There's one you can get in black, but this is a special edition. Anything else is very good, very rugged, very solid. If you mount it on your handlebars, it will stay there. Also, the vibration dampener works quite well. I don't like the look that much, especially for a classic bike, but it works very, very good. The main advantage why I bought the Quadlock system compared to the SP Connect is the way you can mount your phone case. The way how you put your phone case on the mount is very easy. So you have to put it in a 45-degree angle somewhere. It's a little bit easier if you push this here down. So, and then you can decide when you are in if you want to put it in a horizontal position or you can twist it in a vertical position. And this is a main advantage of this system compared to the SP Connect. You can decide in which position you want to have your phone, and it's very stable, it's very rugged, works perfectly fine. To loosen the system is quite easy. Just push this blue latch here and then you can very easily take the system off. The only problem besides the look of the system is it's sometimes a little bit fiddly. If you want to do everything with one hand, so not holding this down, so you take your phone, you want to put it on the mount, you see it's sometimes hard to find the right angle. It's not so fluently. So now it works, but very often when you are in a hurry, then you don't find the right angle. It works better with time. So if you get used to it, it's a little bit better, but I have very often the situation that I don't find the right angle. It's a little bit more fiddly compared to the SP Connect. This is very easy. Horizontal, turn it around, and it's on. For me, the handling of the SP Connect is a little bit better. Only downside is you stay in vertical if you choose vertical, and if you want to change in horizontal, you have to take off the mounting plate. Second is, if you look at the space, if I want to put it in vertical position, I have to turn it in the horizontal position. So I need a lot of space where I put my phone, and you will see it on my motorcycle, on the Royal Enfield. Sometimes you don't have the horizontal space, especially if you have a big phone. So this is also one downside. It's a little bit the same with a Quadlock, not that much because you have just a 45-degree angle. If you want to take off your phone case, you have to push the security latch here down, then you can take it off. If you don't push it down, then of course you cannot take it off. Different with the SP Connect. If you put it on, it's one-handed. You don't need a second hand. Just twist it around and take it off. So for one-hand usage, the SP Connect is better. If you want a system which has a little bit more variation possibility, the quadlock is better because you don't have to change the mounting plate when you want to put it in horizontal or in vertical mode. So this is the advantage of the quadlock. If it's in horizontal mode, then it works. You can take your thumb, push it down, twist it around. But when it's in vertical mode, then the latch is here down there and you cannot reach it with your thumb, no chance. Of course, if you are using the vertical mode more, then I think you can switch this around. Then it's standing to the side. And then maybe it's easier to push it with a thumb again. But then again, you have to choose between vertical or horizontal mode. So both are very good. I had no problems with both systems. For the quadlock, of course, as well as for the SP Connect, you can get different mounts. This is one for the mirror, special mirror mount. It's a bit smaller. Of course, you can put the vibration dampener too on it. Cases of quadlock and SP Connect are very good, well made, very solid. I had no problems with them and they last for a long time. These are my first ones and they are still okay. And now my newest phone mounting system. This is from Peak Design. I will show you the RAM mount version because this is from my Vespa. The other one with the handlebar mount is mounted on my motorcycle. So we'll take this one, but it's the same system. So this is the RAM mount version. You can put it everywhere you have a RAM mount connection. On the back side, you have a vibration dampener, very small compared to this one. Here on the side, you have the unlock mechanism, both sides. It's a very sleek design. Looks very nice. And this is a mount this small here. The backside of the phone case is not plastic. It's something like a fabric, so a little bit softer. Feels very good. And the way you mount it, it's so easy because the mount as well as the phone case are magnetic. So you just flip it here and that's it. And of course, if it's mounted on your bike, it's very easy to take off. Just go there with one finger, with this one here, push this button inside and you can take it off. It's the fastest system of all. Chuck and off. I will show you how it works on the motorcycle later. It's very rugged. You will have no problem that this mount is coming off. Everything is made out of metal. Very well built. And to take it off, super easy. Super, super easy. The fastest one of all three. And now you will ask how you get it in horizontal mode. This is vertical. Just take it off. And this is horizontal. If you are in horizontal, of course, then you have to go from this side to the button, take it off. But you can always reach it with one hand. You don't need a second one. So this, in my opinion, of course, is the fastest of all systems. I can put it vertical, horizontal, any way you like it. It's fast. You always have to listen for this click. If you don't have the click noise, then it's not blocked in the back. Peak Design has a ball mount available like this. Then, of course, a mount for the handlebar. I did not find a mount for a mirror at the moment. Hopefully this will come in the future. If you know if they have something like that. I didn't find it on the website. So something like this here, a mirror mount. And this is how the Peak Design handlebar mount looks like. And now I will show you how easy it is to mount the phone. It will flip on the mount by itself, but you have to wait for this click noise until it's really secured. With the SP Connect, you have to go like this and then turn the other way around. In this position here, I have no chance because the mirror is blocking, so I could not put my phone in this horizontal position to twist it around. Maybe here on the mirror, this would be possible, but not in this position. And that's why I like the Peak Design. Put it on and take it off. So all of these systems are very stable, very rugged. You will have no problems that it will fall down. All of them have a vibration dampener to secure the camera of your phones. All the cases are very rugged, so none of them is really bad, but my favorite at the moment is the Peak design. Second would be, even you don't have this chance to position it either horizontal or vertical, would be the Espo Connect. And my last choice would be the quadlock because of the handling. Of course, everyone for sure has different experiences. Maybe you can write your experience with either of these phone mounts down in the description. And I will put all the links to the different phone cases and mounts and adapters down in the description under the video. So just in case you are interested, you will find it there. Okay, friends, that's it for today. Just a short video about the phone mounts that I use on my motorcycles. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and cheers.